Tuna building thar kan hu mek in thar kan hu mek sam zaram sarkar sak ania chuanin
Why are you asking the situation? This is about the
Administration is objecting, is it?
No, objecting about construction.
There is no construction. No construction will be there.
You please talk to your SP and your SP will discuss with our SP.
ये बोल रहे हैं कि कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होगा, लोकल चले जाएंगे, SSB BSF इधर रहेगा.
Tuna hianin asam horon chawin satlai in soron lu an tuma tin bungro te pon in zon lu ta so tin san bek te po so thren kha so sam horon da ania pison an lu alut ngal ni mei ni hian langa entinga ni zel don kan police ne ma chon meka so asamin an lu chuan amoi potla khop in renom